Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add money to your Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add money to your Google Pay, the best method depends on which country you are or how Google Pay operates there. So the thing is, once you open your Google Pay, you can find this icon right over the top besides your profile. So simply tap on it and this will help you add money in your Google Pay. So once you tap on it, you can simply allow the Google Pay to get entered the money you want to send. And once you do this, you need to now tap on the bank account. So simply tap on add bank account and link your bank. You need to simply sign in with the Pled app, which is a third-party app that allows money transactions in Google Pay. So once you enter your credentials, you will be able to be linked, and this way you can send or add money to your Google Pay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.